Well, hello everyone. So today I'm going to make a VM of Windows 3.1. Yep, Windows 3.1 is our topic today. So let's just do this, We'll start by creating a new virtual machine. And we'll use an ISO. Here's where I store my ISOs. And click into Windows 3.1. Oh wait, never mind. It doesn't need one. Let's just click I will install the operating system later. Next, Microsoft Windows, and we'll name it 3.1. Go with the name, 8 gigs, customize hardware, add, floppy drive, finish, use floppy image, browse, Windows 3.1, we'll use disk 1. Oh wait, never mind. We need to install MS-DOS before we can install Windows 3.1. So yeah, let's do that. Close, finish. But this is not an MS-DOS episode. I might get to that someday, but this is not an MS-DOS episode. So we're just going to play the virtual machine. Yes. Alright, let's install. Install. We're just going to enter. The settings are correct. So CDOS, and change that to MS-DOS. MS-DOS. So now we have to insert disk 2. It has entered. Now it wants disk 3. And there we go, it's done. Now we need to remove the floppy drive. Now it's installed. And it could have ended right here if it was an MS-DOS episode, but nope. We still need more. Let's just clear the screen, because why not? Now we need to put in 3.1. Okay, so I have successfully put it in, and now we're going to connect the floppy drive. And I'm pretty sure there's an A drive, and we're going to type in setup and run it. Welcome to setup. This setup program for Windows 3.1 prepares Windows to run on your computer. Enter. We're going to do the express setup. And now we gotta insert disk 2. And it's going to ask us for disk 3 later. Now we need the name and company. Continue. And now it needs disk 3. I'm actually just gonna skip this part, skip the inserting and then just ejecting, inserting, ejecting, doing that over and over again. I'm just gonna skip this, so yeah, let's just do that. Alright, final one's in. Printer installation. Yeah, no printer installed. MS-DOS editor. Skip the tutorial, and I'm gonna I'm pretty sure we have to eject all disks. Yep, just says it right there. Now we can reboot. We're just going to type in win. W-I-N, win. And there you go. It's all loaded up. Got the main stuff. Got your accessories. Very, very different from 95. Got the classic games. Got the classic solitaire and Minesweeper. Ooh, those are classics. I'm pretty sure I kind of suck at Minesweeper. Just look at this. One. Can I find it? Nope. 3. Sit. Oh shit. I'm dead. Okay. Can we try this? 1. It's 1 bomb nearby. 1 bomb nearby. 1 bomb nearby. 1 bomb nearby. 1 2. Pretty sure they're both right here, so just click 1. Okay. 2 nearby. Okay. Oh. No. Oh, I'm so close. Anyways, that's it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna close this. Anyways, and to shut down the computer, and to return that MS-DOS, you just gotta go here, close the program manager. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.